Hello everyone. Once again, I came up with another program for the students. And the program name is Tekzone 2022, and this program is conducted by Bahuben Mahindra Nanavati College of Home Sciences. And quickly, we will see what are the events that are conducted in this program. So we have WebGators Spin a Web, which is online program, and here we have details. Registration closes on 24th February, and next program is digitally autistic. Again, it is a online live program. And next event is Code Gulf. It is also online on 26th February. And next event is IT-Ripplets, which is also online. And next one is Dance Feet of Fire, which is also a online event. And we have one more e-waste collection. I think it is off. So let's see what are all these programs in detail one by one. So before that, let's see some general instructions. Participants have to submit the scanned copy of the college identity card or recent college fee receipt, without which the entry will be considered invalid. And second one, the decision of the judges will be final and abiding. E-certificates will be given to every participant, and winner will be awarded exciting prizes. If the participant wish to register for the event agreeing with the above criteria, click below to register for any event. And very important thing here is the entry fees is nil. And before looking into the events, details of all events one by one, I request you to forward this information to your friends. Okay. So first event is WebGators, so which is nothing but website making and insight to your design. So some rules are given for this. Individual participation only. Last date of submission on 24th February. So it is not a group event, it is a individual event. Create a responsive static website using any one of the following: HTML, CSS, jQuery or JavaScript. All entries must make the static website on the topic Tech India at the rate of 75. So on this topic only we have to build a website. The website should have a minimum of 4 pages, and participants should not use any content management system such as WordPress. Okay, so you have to build the website on your own. You should not take any help from this content management systems. Okay, and participants have to submit the zip file of their website on or before 24th February, and students have to give online presentation of their website. And final round online presentation will be conducted on 26th February for the shortlisted candidates on Google Meet or Zoom. So these are some of the rules to participate in this website making event. And if you have any doubts, they have given the phone numbers, see here, so you can contact these numbers if you have any doubts. And the next event is digitally artistic, nothing but digital art. So if you are a good artist, you can participate in these events, and you can go through all these rules. And if you want to participate, here they have given a registration link, so click on this link and enter all your details. And if you have any doubts, yes, they have given the contact numbers here, just call them. Okay. And one more event is Code Gulf, which is coding competition using C and C++ languages, right? So they have given some rules here. The contest is open to anyone with a knack for programming, and you should know C and C++. It is a live event on 26th February. The competition will be conducted in 2 hours. So there will be 2 rounds, elimination round as well as coding round. And if you want to register for this, here they have given a link. Just click on this link, then fill in all your details, and if you have any doubts, you can contact these numbers. And next one is IT-Ripplets, which is a quiz competition. And here are some of the rules for this event. Individual participation only. Event is on 26th February at 1 p.m. The event consists of 3 rounds: information technology round, logical reasoning round, and communication test round. Okay, so if you want to participate on this, link was given here, and if you have any doubts, you can contact these numbers. And next is a dance program. So if you are interested in it, you can participate in this program by clicking on this registration link, and they have given some rules for this dance event. Just go through all these rules. And last one is e-waste collection. So this program is an offline program, so I think you cannot participate if at all if you are far away from this college. So these are some of the details of this program. Okay, and these are all the registration links for all the events. So I will give this information in the description of this video, so you check there and you can participate in these programs. Okay, so all the best and thank you for watching this video.